So let's say you want to repeat an animation without having to add in a lot of keyframes. To do that, let us take this figure as an example right here, and then I'm going to animate this from the front side. So let me just go over here, and I'm going to go over here, turn on the auto keyframe. So auto keyframe, let me just drag this up in the 5th keyframe right here. So let me just drag this up, and on the 10th keyframe, let me just drag this down into 0. So you have an animation right there. Let me turn off the auto keyframe right here. That's the jump animation. So this is how the animation looks like now. So let's say we want to keep it continuously jumping right there. What I can do is I can simply go on to the animation view. So I'm just going to go on to animate right here, and then I'm going to click on this figure right here. I'm on my dope seed view, as you can see. So I'm going to click on my figure, and over here you can see that before it is constant and after it is constant as well. So let me just bring this down over here. So if you were to play this, you can see that the jump happens right there. So now on the before it is constant, so after, let's say I want to repeat. So now if I were to play this out, you can see that it is continuously repeating the animation right there. The repeat is 0 right there. So you can see that it keeps on repeating after. If you want it to repeat before as well, you can go over here and click on repeat right there, just like that, and it keeps on repeating as well. So that is how you can repeat the animation. You can also go to oscillate, so that's like repeat itself, but it also animates it in another side. So if I were to play it like that, you can see that there's only one sort of an animation right here now. So I removed another keyframe. So now let me turn this off, and let's see how the animation looks. It actually just moves forward. And now if I were to repeat this, you can see that it actually goes up in the backwards. So you can see that it actually repeats just like that. Just the going up animation, it does not reverse back the animation right there. Oscillate, what it does is it does the repeat, but repeats it back as well before it repeats the whole thing. So I'm just going to turn this off. I'm just going to say oscillate, so it will go up and come back down over here on this section. So this is playing right now. You can see that this is actually playing back and forward just like that. So that is how the repeat animation actually works. So that's oscillate, one type of repeat animation, and the regular repeat animation. You can also set the number of times you want to repeat this. So let's say I just want it to jump 3 times just like that. So if I were to play it, it just jumps 3 times just like that. So 1, 2, there you go. So that's just 3 times of repeat, 1, 2, 3, and that's it. So if you were to do 4 right here, then it does it 4 times, just like that. And 5, it repeats it 5 times. So there's 5 right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There you go. So adds in 5 more. So that is how oscillate and repeat animation works inside the Cinema 4D. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.